everybody and welcome back to Anayah's kitchen. Today I will be teaching you how to make a delicious Pakistani cookie called Naan Khatai. It's a very simple recipe and there are only 5 ingredients in total. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients. The first ingredient on our list is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of caster sugar, 3/4 of ghee, which is melted, 1 egg yolk for egg bathing, 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of green cardamom powder. We also have cashews, which are optional. You can add them at the end. This batter will make you 18 big Naan Khatais. Let's mix the batter together. First, let's pour in our 2 cups of flour. There. Now we're going to pour in our 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar. This is 1/4 of a cup. So we're going to use this to put 3/4 of ghee. 1 cup. 2 and 3. Finally, we have to add our 1 pinch of green cardamom powder and 1 pinch of salt. There. Let's get mixing. Let's start mixing. I'm going to slowly take it up to level 3. After you mix it for a bit, you need to check if there are any lumps in it, which there shouldn't be, and you need to check if it's gooey and smooth. The batter is ready. Most of the batter is stuck to the mixing thing, so let's take it out. I broke the other spatula while I was cleaning out the mixing thing, so we got a new one. So the batter is ready, and as you can see, there are no lumps in this and it's very smooth. It's not sticking to the bowl or the spatula. Well, it is sticking to the spatula, but whatever. And now all we have to do is put it on the baking sheets that we have here. And we are going to make 18 small balls, and when we are putting them on, we have to just press them a little bit inside so we can add the cashews. We have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius at fan force for 20 to 25 minutes. Now let's get making the balls. So we're just going to take a small amount of batter and we're going to sort of roll it into a ball in our hands. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Then you have to put it on the baking sheet and press a little hole into it. continue. They have to be about this big. Dabara. Okay. So they should be about this big. And roll it in your hands with firm palms. And put it onto the tray. Stick your finger in. And there. You've got a Naan Khatai ball. Okay, you can make them as big or small as you like. It's up to you. But for medium-sized Naan Khatai, there should be 18 Naan Khatais in total with this batter. We finished making the Naan Khatai balls. Our sizes are up and down, so we've only made 17, but that's okay. Now we're going to beat the egg yolk and brush it on the Naan Khatai, and this is optional. We're going to add cashews on top. Let's do it. Okay, now that I've beat the egg, I'm just going to brush it on top like this. Sort of looks like a drizzle. So I have finished egg bathing the Naan Khatais. And now we're going to put in our roasted salted cashews. You can, instead of the cashews, you can also put in roasted almonds. It gives a really nice flavor and texture to the Naan Khatais as well. So yeah. So the Naan Khatai is ready and we're going to put it in the oven. Okay, ow, ow. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's close the oven and wait. So we've taken them out of the oven and they look fabulous. We've taken them out after 20 minutes and they are good to eat. You can have this with doodh patti chai, which is also another trademark of Pakistan. You can have this for a snack, your high tea, or your evening tea. Let's take a taste. It's crumbly, it's crunchy, and the cashew gives it an amazing punch. It's so yum, I have to say. It's Anayah approved. Yum yum. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends. I hope you have to try this at home. It's amazing. So, until my next video, bye!